Did you know that every single day, nearly 250 seniors in the US begin losing part of their eyesight? The shocking part is, most don't notice until it's too late. They assume the dry eyes, the blurry menus, the trouble driving at night are just signs of age. But the truth is, something else is happening. Doctors call it nighttime eye damage. While you sleep, oxygen-starved cells and fragile photoreceptors silently break down, stealing your sight bit by bit. And here's the scary part: 99% of seniors have no idea it's happening. Meanwhile, the vision industry makes billions every year from drugs, surgeries, and supplements. But do they solve the root problem? Of course not. If your eyesight keeps declining, you keep paying. Here's the good news. Nature has already provided what your eyes desperately need: powerful compounds hidden inside ordinary fruits. When eaten at the right time, these fruits can help repair damaged cells, restore hydration, and even slow cataracts. And not over decades, some seniors notice changes in weeks. In this video, I'll reveal 7 bedtime fruits, ranked from helpful to life-changing, that trigger natural eye repair as you sleep. One of them contains a compound that can delay cataracts by 40%. And most people throw away the part that works best. Before we start, let me know in the comments. Have you noticed any changes in your vision recently? Share your age and where you're watching from. I read and reply to every comment with tips tailored to you, so don't skip that part. Let's begin with number 7, kiwi. This small fruit packs surprising power. As we age, the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye, becomes vulnerable to oxidative stress, which speeds up cell breakdown. Kiwi helps fight back. It's rich in lutein and zeaxanthine, carotenoids that act like natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light. But kiwi also has serotonin, which supports deep sleep and enhances the eye's repair cycle at night. A retired teacher I spoke to added 2 golden kiwis an hour before bed. Within weeks, she reported less morning redness and sharper vision when reading. The golden variety is best, higher in lutein and gentler on the stomach. Don't peel it too deeply. Just scoop out the flesh with a spoon to keep the antioxidant rich edge intact. Number 6, watermelon. Most think of watermelon as just a refreshing snack, but for seniors, it's a hydration hero for the eyes. As we sleep, the eyes naturally lose moisture, especially if you breathe through your mouth or live in dry climates. This causes morning blur and burning sensations. Watermelon, over 90% water, restores hydration, but its secret weapon is lycopene. This antioxidant collects in eye tissues and helps repair UV-related damage. In one small trial, seniors who ate 2 cups of watermelon daily showed better circulation in the tiny vessels behind the retina within 2 months. Eat it 30 minutes before bed, but skip the salt. It raises eye pressure. It's rich in citrulline, a compound that widens blood vessels, sending nutrients deep into the eye. Number 5, black currants. In the US, they're rare. In Europe and Asia, they're a go-to for vision. Black currants are loaded with anthocyanins, pigments that reduce inflammation, strengthen capillaries, and regenerate rhodopsin, the pigment needed for night vision. One small study found seniors improved their ability to adjust from bright light to darkness by over 30%. After a few weeks of black currant extract, they also reported fewer halos and less glare from headlights. Fresh black currants are great, but if you can't find them, freeze-dried powder works well. Stir a teaspoon into warm tea before bed. Just don't mix with citrus. Acid blocks anthocyanin absorption. Number 4, blueberries. Blueberries are everywhere, but here's the catch. Most people eat the wrong kind. They protect against photoreceptor breakdown, a slow process that weakens fine detail and night vision. Wild blueberries, not the big cultivated ones, have double the antioxidants your eyes need. In a recent study, seniors who ate wild blueberries daily for 12 weeks saw 30% sharper vision and less strain when using screens at night. For best results, eat a handful about an hour before bed, but avoid dairy, which blocks absorption. Here's a trick. Lightly freeze and thaw them first. This releases more antioxidants for your body to absorb. Number 3, dragon fruit. Exotic and vibrant dragon fruit, especially the red flesh kind, addresses retinal hypoxia. When parts of the eye don't get enough oxygen, it leads to fatigue, blurry vision, and peripheral loss. Dragon fruit is rich in betaines, compounds that boost nitric oxide, widen tiny blood vessels, and increase oxygen delivery during sleep. In small case reports, older adults who ate half a dragon fruit at night noticed clearer peripheral vision and less morning eye strain within weeks. Don't spit out the seeds. They contain omega-3s essential for nerve repair. Number 2. Goji berries. These bright berries have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern research confirms why. They target macular thinning, one of the main causes of blurred central vision. Goji berries are one of the richest sources of zeaxanthin, the pigment that protects the macula. In clinical trials, seniors who ate them regularly increased macular pigment density and slowed vision loss. To use them, soak 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes. Eat them 30 minutes before bed. Pair with a small piece of dark chocolate. The cocoa flavonoids boost zeaxanthin absorption. Number 1. Papaya. The simplest fruit with the biggest impact. Papaya tackles glycation, a damaging process where sugar binds to proteins in the eye, clouding lenses and harming the retina. It's one of the main drivers of cataracts. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks down these harmful compounds. Along with vitamins A, C, and E together, they help stabilize vision and reduce lens clouding. A senior in his 70s with early cataracts began eating 1 cup of ripe papaya cubes each night. Within 6 weeks, he noticed less glare when driving and sharper contrast in dim light. The trick? Eat it at room temperature about an hour before bed with a squeeze of lime juice. Avoid cold or unripe papaya, which lowers its healing effect. Now, knowing the 7 fruits is just step 1. To unlock their full power, follow these 5 rules. Never eat them with calcium-rich foods like milk or yogurt. It blocks absorption. Always add a little healthy fat, like walnuts or flaxseed oil, for better delivery to the eyes. Wash gently but don't scrub. Antioxidants live in the skin. Eat them at room temperature, not straight from the fridge. And most importantly, time it right. Eat your chosen fruit 60 to 90 minutes before bed, so your body absorbs the nutrients just as your eyes enter repair mode. Your vision isn't fading only because of age, it's being chipped away each night. But starting tonight, you can fight back naturally. Imagine reading without squinting, driving at night without fear, or seeing your grandchildren's smiles clearly. That's what's possible when you give your eyes what they need. Now I want to hear from you. If your eyesight suddenly got 30% clearer overnight, what's the very first thing you'd look at? Comment below. I'll reply with tailored advice for your situation. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Clearer vision is within reach, and it starts tonight.